In the charming community of Celebration, Florida, families value comfort, security, and peace of mind at home. While many homeowners think about alarms and cameras when it comes to safety, one of the most important, and often overlooked, elements is the door. Over time, doors can weaken, warp, or lose their protective qualities, leaving your home vulnerable to intruders, storms, or even everyday accidents. That's why proper door replacement isn't just an upgrade, it's a vital step in ensuring the safety of your Celebration family. The risks of outdated or worn doors. Old or poorly maintained doors often pose hidden risks. For example, weakened structure. Wood doors exposed to Florida's humidity may warp, swell, or rot, making them easier to force open. Outdated locks. Older doors often come with basic lock and key systems that are more susceptible to tampering. Poor sealing. Gaps around the frame can allow moisture and drafts inside, which over time can damage your home's structure. Storm vulnerability. In a region where hurricanes and tropical storms are a reality, doors that aren't impact resistant can fail during severe weather. For families, these issues mean more than inconvenience, they compromise safety and peace of mind. How proper door replacement enhances safety. Stronger materials. Modern replacement doors are designed with durability and resilience in mind. Fiberglass and steel doors, for example, offer greater resistance to break-ins and last longer in Florida's humid climate compared to older wood models. For Celebration families, these materials ensure year-round protection. Reinforced frames and hardware. When replacing a door, professionals also upgrade the surrounding frame and hardware. Reinforced hinges, strike plates, and tamper-proof screws make it significantly harder for intruders to compromise the entryway. This added strength is critical for maintaining a secure home. Advanced locking systems. Many replacement doors now include multi-point locking systems or can be fitted with smart locks. These modern features improve both safety and convenience, giving you the ability to lock or monitor your door remotely. Families with children, in particular, appreciate the peace of mind that comes from knowing their entryway is secured at all times. Impact resistance. For storm protection in Celebration, storms can be as much of a safety concern as intruders. Impact-resistant doors are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, ensuring your family is safe during hurricane season. Choosing impact-rated doors during replacement protects your loved ones while also meeting Florida's building code requirements. Improved fire safety. Door replacement can also improve fire safety. Modern doors, especially those installed in entryways to garages or utility rooms, often meet fire-resistant standards that slow the spread of flames. This feature provides valuable extra time for evacuation in an emergency. The role of professional installation. Even the strongest door can't deliver its safety benefits without proper installation. Gaps, misaligned frames, or weak seals can undo the protection a door is designed to provide. Professional installation ensures precise measurements for a secure fit. Proper sealing to prevent drafts, leaks, and water intrusion. Full functionality of locks, hinges, and hardware. Compliance with Florida building codes for both safety and storm readiness. For Celebration families, trusting local professionals means peace of mind that their doors will stand up to both daily use and the demands of the coastal climate. Beyond safety, added peace of mind. While safety is the priority, proper door replacement also brings other benefits that enhance family life in Celebration. Energy efficiency. Better insulation reduces energy bills. Noise reduction. High-quality doors keep outdoor noise at bay, creating a quieter home environment. Curb appeal. A stylish new door makes your home more inviting while increasing property value. Final thoughts for Celebration families. Replacing old doors is a simple yet powerful way to improve home safety. From protecting against intruders and storms to offering advanced locks and reinforced materials, modern doors are built with security in mind. By choosing the right materials and ensuring professional installation, you can safeguard your family, reduce risks, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is as secure as it is welcoming.